In Igbo land, everyone knows Amadioha, the god of thunder, and Allah, the earth goddess. But few remember Udo, the forgotten god of peace. Was Udo just a concept, or was he truly worshipped? Today we uncover the hidden history of the Igbo deity who brought harmony to warring clans. The word Udo means peace in Igbo, but long ago it was more than just a word. Elders in Nsukka and Awka still remember Udo was a spirit, a sacred force that stopped wars. Before battles, warriors would call on Udo to settle disputes. Some say he appeared as a mist, calming angry hearts. Udo was tied to a real plant, the Udo tree, Pycnanthus angolensis. Its seeds were ground into a paste mixed with palm wine and drunk by enemies to seal peace. This ritual was called Igba Udo, the pact of peace. If anyone broke it, they believed Udo's wrath would follow. Deep in Arachukwu there was a secret oracle, not Ibini Ukpabi, but the Udo oracle. It was consulted before peace treaties. The priest would whisper questions and the wind would reply. Some say it predicted the Igbo-British wars, warning that peace would be lost. When Christianity came, Udo was called a false god. Missionaries burned Udo shrines. Soon, only the Ozo title holders remembered. Today, Udo lives only in names like Udo Chukwu and proverbs like Udo Kabama, peace is better. But in remote villages, some still whisper, Udo will return when the Igbo need peace the most. What do you think? Was Udo truly a god or just a legend? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, subscribe and share this hidden history. Ka Udo diri unu. May peace be with you.